Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, helping stay-at-home mompreneurs create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So I know a lot of you want to buy a home, right? And so I just wanted to share something with you that's going to help you that you can work on right now. So you may be looking to buy a home in the next year, in the next 6 months, in the next 2 years. Well, one thing that you want to focus on is when managing your finances. So specifically talking about your checking account, you don't want to have any overdraft fees. You never want that to happen. Okay. So if you need to set it up to where, you don't have overdraft fees. So you can set it up to where if a payment goes through on your checking account and you don't have enough money, that whatever's in your savings account can cover it. Or there's free apps, there's different ways now. With the technology we have, there's ways that you can prevent that from happening. Number one, obviously you try to not let that happen by managing your finances well. But I know that, we're busy and things happen and mistakes happen or whatnot. So what you can do is set it up or what you can do is set that up. Set something up to where you won't get overdraft fees, okay? Because when you're looking to apply for a home loan, the lender is going to look at that. They're going to want to see your bank statements. And they're going to be looking for any overdraft fees. So, and then if you do have some, and if a mistake happens or whatnot, and you do have an overdraft fee, they're going to want a letter of explanation. And, they're not going to want to hear, oops, that's not good. You want to sound, you want to be as responsible as you can be. So one thing that I would suggest you do is set up a way for you not to get overdraft fees. So if a mistake happens, that whatever's in your savings account can cover it, or whatever you have to do to prevent that from happening. Don't have any overdraft fees in your checking accounts, okay? And that's the tip I got for you. If you want to learn, I got 8 steps on how to increase your cash flow this year. Click the link below and watch that video or download that PDF, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.